Well, hello everyone. My name is Leroy Lowe and I'm a certified international trade professional. And today I'm going to talk about cash flow management. In international trade, cash flow can be challenging, and although it doesn't always become a problem, if it's not managed properly, it can become critical in most businesses. I'm going to share a little bit of my experience with you and maybe some best practices, and hopefully you'll get some insights into how important it is when you're doing international business to manage cash flow well. When an organization expands from domestic trade to international trade, it must consider financial issues related to payment risks, and also cash flow, which can be particularly challenging. In international trade, many aspects of a transaction are more complex. They take longer and are often delayed. As a result, advance payments are not commonly used, and exporters are frequently trying to use tools that give the foreign buyer more time to pay. Companies engaged in international trade also face uncertainties in collections due to factors such as banking and transmission delays, foreign exchange conversions, and customer-related delays. So in this session, we will look at a number of important aspects of cash flow planning when doing business internationally, and we will hear about the steps that can be taken to improve a company's overall cash flow and cash position.